Hello my dear students, good morning. How are you beta? Fit and fine? Good. Okay, here I come with the lecture for grade 5th and we are just going to continue the chapter 2nd, that is large number. Okay, yesterday we discussed Indian number system and international number system and also discuss the difference between these two systems. Okay, now we start our exercise, that is exercise 2.4. okay, see beta, question number first, that is fill in the blanks using greater than, less than or equals to symbol. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to first compare the numbers. Okay, first you have to compare the numbers and first comparison is based on the number of digits. Okay, so first you count the digits. See, in first number how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digits are there, and in the next number 6 digits are there. Which one is greater? Which one is greater number, 7 digit number or 6 digit number? 7 digit number is greater, so use this symbol. Okay, first you notice that all these numbers are in which form? Indian place value chart or according to the international place value chart? These numbers are according to the international place value chart. How we know that? See, the commas is after the three digits. The comma are there after the three digits, and while in the Indian number system first we place comma after the 3 digits, then after two digits. Okay, so that's why it's an international place value system. Okay, see the B question. First of all, you have to compare on the basis of the number of digits in each numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many digits are there? 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, both the number having equal number of digits. Okay, both the numbers having equal number of digits. Then what you have to do? Now you compare the last place digit, that is 1, and here it is also 1. Last place digit is also equal. Then what you have to next comparison, that is on basis of the second last digit, that is here it is 8 and here it's also 8. Then next third one, here it's 2 and here is 7. Which one is greater, 7 or 2? 7 is obvious greater, means you use this whole number is greater than this one. Okay, see the next one, C question. First you count the digits, 6 digit in this number and 6 digit in this number. Okay, both the number having equal number of digits. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to next comparison is based on the place value, that is last place digit is also equal, then second last digit, here it is 4 and here it's 3. Which one is greater, 4 or 3? Obvious 4 is greater than 3, means this whole number is greater than this one, so you use this symbol. Now see in the next question, first you count the number of digits, 3 3 6 to 8. Now in this 3 3 6 1 7. In this number the number of digits are 7, and while in this number the number of digits are 8. So 8 greater number, the number which having greater digit is obviously the greater number, so this number is greater than that one. Okay, now in question number 2nd, write these numbers in the two number system and also write their number names. Okay, means first you have to place comma according to the Indian number system and according to the international number system. Then after you have to write their number name also. So first we discuss the Indian number system. According to the Indian number system, Indian number system, according to the Indian number system, the number is 720159463. Okay, while in Indian number system we place comma after 3 digits, then after 2 digits, right beta? Now you have count ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. That means 72 crore, 72 crore, 1 lakh, 59,000, 59 thousand 463. The number name is according to the Indian number system. Okay, now we are going to discuss international number system. Which number system? International number system. Okay, so first of all we place comma according to the international number system. Write the number here once again. You have to write the numbers and then we place the comma according to the international number system. As we already discussed how we place comma in international number system, we place comma after the three digits. Okay, so first count the 3 digits and place comma, then again count the 3 digits and place comma. Now we are going to write the number name according to the international number system. So let's count ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, that means 720 million, 720 million, 159,000, 159,463, 463. The number name is now according to the international number system. See here, next you have to write in Indian number system. Okay, I am going to write the in shorter form INS, that in Indian number system. Okay, now first of all you have to write the numbers again. 73928610. Okay, so we place comma according to the Indian number system. Place comma after the 3 digit, now then after 2 digits, that is 7,39,28,610. Now write here 610. Now you write in international number system. International number system. Write the digits, write the numbers. Now you place comma. In international number system we place comma after the 3 digits. 3 digits. Now write the number name. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 millions. Means 73 million, 610. In this way you have to write the international number system. Okay, now see this C question, that is C part, that is first of all the digit is in, first you have to write the numbers in which form? In international Indian number system. See the system INS, that is Indian number system. and next international number system. See here beta, see the digits, numbers 211234210, 211234210. You place comma in Indian number system, that is first after 3 digit. When you place comma, first after 3 digit, then after 2 digit, while in international you place comma after the 3 digits. Now we are going to write their number names. First we are going to write the number names in Indian national number system. Okay, 21 crore, 21 crore, wait, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, 21 crore, 12, 21 crore, 12 lakh, 34,000, 34,210, 210, while according to the international number system, that is 211 million, 211 million, 234,000, 234,210, 210. Now the last, see the last one, the last question, that is D part. See here, first of all you have to write in Indian number system, that is INS. See, write the digits. Next in international number system, first you write the numbers 83660780, 83660780. Now you put the comma according to both the number system. First you place comma after 3 digits, then after 2 digits in international Indian number system, while in international number system you place comma after the 3 digits. See, first 8 crore 36 lakh 60,780, 8 lakh 36 lakh 60,000 780. See, according to the international number system, 83 million 660,000 780. Okay, in this way we do this question. First of all you have to write the Indian number system, then after international number system, then after what you have to do, you place comma according to both the number system and write their number names. Okay, and up to question third onward we will discuss in our next lecture. Okay beta, thank you and have a nice day. Take care beta, bye.